Today, we're going to get our Zoom link and we're going to add it to our calendar. So when our calendar reminds clients, customers, and prospects about our upcoming Zoom meeting, they will have the correct link. So this is what you want to do. You want to log into Zoom, go to meetings. Once you get to meetings, you want to go to personal room. And here you have your invite link. So you should see your information. Copy your invite link. After you copy your invite link, you want to go to your calendar, click on calendar settings, choose your calendar, click the three dots, and then click edit. If you've already filled out your entire calendar, that's fine. You can skip ahead to, and you'll see meeting location. Here are your choices. You could do, if it's going to be a phone call, you can do full address if you're going to meet in person at your office, or you can do custom. So I use custom, and then I just paste my Zoom link, right? Save. And now that link will be attached with the calendar invitation. When we have automation that sends reminders, we also want to connect our link to our calendar invitations through our automation. So next you'll click automation, choose the workflow that you would like to edit. And I choose my appointment confirmation and reminder. So you want to edit this work. So there's a couple areas that we want to edit here. First, we have our confirmation email, and we can scroll down and see I have already pasted my link here, but you want to add in your Zoom link. Save the action. Next, you want to do your next email, which is your reminder email. Scroll down. My link is already here, but this is where you would paste it. You also want to add your, if you used an appointment recipe, you want to add who the appointment is with and what company it is with. Save the action. SMS, we want to add our name, your appointment with Kim Sunshine at Website Mate, and then you want to include the Zoom link there as well. And 1 hour before the appointment, I'm going to get an internal notification. You can add your Zoom link there as well. I do not, because I already have my Zoom link. And then the text reminder, again, your appointment with Kim Sunshine at Website Mate, and then I'm going to add my Zoom link. And that, my friends, is how you connect your Zoom to your calendar so that when you have scheduled appointments, scheduled prospect meetings, and scheduled consultations, your Zoom will already be ready.